Clear white. Ooh, y'all heard that? I'm gonna stop. What's good, y'all? You just watched up on the game show, and today we have a very, very, very special unboxing. Shout out Kyle, IG right here. And as y'all know, Yeezy Day happened, as you know, y'all saw in the Azure Blue video. 700 was very difficult for a lot of people, but I did hit on Turtle Doves size 6. But my boy Kyle, he hit on the Turtle Doves size 11. Personal pair, you know, that's my size, but not for me, that's for him. But shout out Tradeblock, he's gonna trade them. But I digress. And obviously this, I think, unboxing came, or is a retro of the 2016-17 pair. I might, you know, get the year wrong. If not, I'll put it right here, somewhere around. But yeah, I mean, I can't believe they actually re-released these. And I know back in, when was it, like March, or it was actually in April, that in Instagram I realized or saw that they're actually going to release another pair of these or another retro of these, and I was like, no way. But then obviously Yeezy Day happened, and I copped, and obviously a lot of different people copped, and we're just here to show you the experience and let you know that Yeezy Day might have been a bust for a lot of people, but you know, for those who hit, very fortunate of those. And yeah, as far as the box, you get the usual 350 cardboard box with the tag. No, it's not fake. Yes, sir. And once we get into the shoe, because we don't like the boxes, we wear the shoes, or we look at the shoes, we got the Yeezy Turtle Doves. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, them. Whatever you try to identify as, but it's definitely a shoe. Sorry about that. It's definitely a shoe that adds a sense of caliber to the name of Yeezy, or the brand of Yeezy that Kanye very much, you know, brought from its feet, or started from the ground up. And yeah, other than that, let's get into the shoe. As y'all can see, there isn't much difference from the 2016-17 pair release, but I feel like they took extra time with these, because I think for the old ones, quality control was a little bit of the issue, at least from what I've heard. Obviously, I didn't have one, but I feel like they did a great job in re-releasing these and not adding a sense of, you know, oh, this is a new pair, let's add new things to it. I think they added what they needed to, and they excluded whatever they excluded so that they could make this pair obviously enjoyable and reminiscent of its past releasings. So, as y'all can see, we have the infamous mid-guard, I believe, or mid-sole panel of the Yeezy with this type of suede that is very great. Obviously, with the original Yeezys, this was definitely a key point of seeing if it's real or fake, unfortunately, as well as the back tab, but we'll get to it. But it definitely adds a very, you know, high quality sense of structure to the shoe. Next, going to the back tab. I know this back tab is, I feel, very useless in some regard, because obviously this is very open, so I don't think a lot of people would need it, but it is very sturdy, if need be. So, you know, it's there for decoration, decor, just aesthetic, but you know, if it needs to get the job done, it gets the job done. Next, we have the whole upper. As y'all can see, is that meshy type of material that we see in all 350s, obviously without the line because it's the V1s, but you know, it's a very plush, very great material. I can't say nothing bad about it. This line very reminiscent of its past releasing, and we also have this type of, like, I would say snake, but not in terms of feeling, but the way it looks, right? It looks like one of the snakes or water snakes that we see in TV shows or on the Discovery Channel or Animal Planet or whatever the type is, right? But, you know, it definitely adds some uniqueness to the pair, to say so, or be, you know, blunt about it. Next, we have the insole, or the in panel right here. As y'all can see, it has lines and, you know, Yeezy and Adidas, you know, the basic things. Obviously, last part, we have the bottoms, the sole, clear white. Ooh, y'all heard that? I'm gonna stop. But obviously the white bottoms are definitely a indication of DS, but you know, shout out Kyle, he's probably gonna trade them for some more heat, which might come later in future episodes, but Who knows? Just keep tuned. So, as y'all can see, it's just like very reminiscent of the past. That has the panels right here that shows or indicates where the you know, ball of your foot would go, as well as, you know, where your heel will go, and the white boost, which is very important, which actually makes this shoe very comfortable, at least from what I've heard. So it's definitely all around a great shoe in terms of comfortability, in terms of aesthetics, in terms of quality. So if y'all were able to cop, I mean, congratulations. If y'all did need a cop, you know, auto resale, I wouldn't feel bad. I wouldn't, you know, say, oh my God, you couldn't, because if this was one of your grills, you know, they re-released it and now it's lower. So it's definitely worth an investment if you want. But yeah, other than that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, peace.